kecing ikran pynbeit put perengki arngut ki menteri rangba na kejala Meghalaya bat Assam kala penlong yu sembut menteri rangba kejala Meghalaya Bah Prestone tansong pan ai kecing Ïaroh ibro arngut ki menteri rangba kata konrad ki sangma bat himanta biswa sarma abu batai bnia kejanmir khalai trek kula lengkot arja arpuar yak jingmi nak jingelang perengki menteri rangba hanong ba kauti menak singpalang sembut menteri rangba ulong babaro arngut ki menteri rangba shim khia ba yakani kamat ulong ba saisin kandan ke jingelang perengki menteri rangba haswa bikin lej ahmad menteri kampo yang kesukaan dia Shah bani keren pynbeit igre kam kaplasat teng daki pau snam.
First time ever I've seen both the Honorable Chief Minister, they take pain so much, they take so much initiative on this issue of interstate boundary, where I never seen other Chief Ministers did that. I think this is the only occasion where both the Chief Ministers, they really spare their time, keep meeting, keep discussing, and even conducted joint inspection in those areas. Again, they had a very close, detailed discussion, and ultimately the decision was taken that both the state government, once again they will prepare and submit a detailed, comprehensive report, both the state government to the Honorable Chief Ministers of both the state, at least maximum 3 days time. That task has been given to both the state government. Then once the report is ready, once the report is submitted to the respective Chief Ministers, again both the Honorable Chief Minister will sit down for final agreement. That was the decision taken yesterday by both the Honorable Chief Ministers. Right now we are waiting for the detailed report to be submitted by both the state government to both the Honorable Chief Minister. Thereafter, immediately sitting will take place between both of them, and thereafter again they will fly over to Delhi for briefing, for discussing with the Honorable Home Minister, and thereafter they will come back and declare or brief or press conference will be organized by both the Honorable Chief Ministers at the earliest possible, because they have given time at least 3 days from today to both the state government to submit the detailed report. Thereafter, once the report is submitted to both the Honorable Chief Minister, then one more day, one more sitting will be held among themselves, and thereafter they will fly over to Delhi for meeting with the Honorable Union Home Minister. Because the terms of reference was already there, you go back to the notification issued by the government of Assam as well as by the government of Meghalaya, and the terms of reference to the regional committees. You go back to that and you will see all the terms of reference indicated over the notification notified by the respective state government. That I'm telling you, I will not tell you anything, but the spirit of the terms of reference is fixed, where be it the regional committees or be it both the chief ministers, they will take a call, final call. I think no need to preempt right now. We can't say that what will you do if they reject or if they accept. I think that question will come in a later stage. Right now, let us hope for the best. And number two, I am very sure it should be positive for both the state government. I think, see, you cannot just say like that. See, now this meeting, if you counted, I think not less than 4-5 meetings was held. Are you trying to say that only 4-5 meetings is enough? This problem is a very long pending issue, which takes a lot of time, lot of deliberation, lot of discussion among both the chief ministers.